one of I never was able to really see what my sales process was and be able to repeat it and show and hire another salesperson to be able to implement him into it until I met you. And that's why I reached out to you after that speaking gig you did. Was I just like, here's a lady that's not trying to throw out there, this is how sales should be. No, here's a lady that's trying to bring in what you're good at, put it in a process that's repeatable. Look at your clients, look at your ideal clients, and put them in a process of interaction. And that was the strategic move I made to be able to still get work at a profitable margin today.
Yeah, because
Um,
correct me if I'm wrong, but you were the company's top producing salesperson.
I was, and
Yeah.
officially this year, Kirby is.
Shut. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay.